Well, we got another aluminum repair here. Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and behind me we have a beautiful 2021 Lincoln Navigator. This is an entirely aluminum vehicle, so every panel is a little more difficult to repair than traditional sheet metal. The passenger side rear door on this Lincoln Navigator had a pretty sharp dent with a pretty hefty scuff going through this dent right in the middle of the door. We're able to repair this kind of damage without disassembling anything. On this particular case, we're able to open up the front door and gain access behind the damage by going through the wiring harness boot. With our PDR tools, we're able to push this dent out from the backside, and then of course there's still the scuff there. So after that scuff is buffed off, this dent came out fantastic using Paintless Dent repair. So aluminum or high strength steel or regular sheet metal, if you have damage on your vehicle and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're also conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.